Hey, my name's Sophie and welcome back to the 24MX Garage. Today I'll be reviewing the A9 Silicone Spray. A9 Silicone Spray prevents dirt and mud sticking to your bike. Once you've washed your bike, allow most of the water to drip off and then coat your plastics and frame guards with the spray. We recommend using the silicone spray on plastic parts, wheels, engine covers, boots and your swinging arm. You can purchase this product from www.24mx.com. Stay tuned to the 24MX Garage for more videos.